Good afternoon, truck guys and gals. I'll give you an update on the Gladiator project. Went a little bit backwards today because I changed out this Valence, I think it's called, because it's tweaked here and there, and because of that, stuff just wasn't lining up right. So swapped it out for this one, and it's tweaked also, but it's here in the middle in a more favorable place. So got that reinstalled, and while I had the paint bucket out, painted the front fender wells. Then also replaced this hose that goes from the reservoir, power steering fluid reservoir, over to the pump. This one, it's a 1-inch diameter on that end, a 90-degree elbow, and 7/8 on this end. And the part number for that, it's a Napa 7340. And also, let's see if we can get up here and get a view from the top. In the last video, a subscriber, Coach Geo, commented about it's called the oil line of death feature with these 3116 cats. So we've replaced it with this flexible one here. This is just flexible. That's why I couldn't see it in the video. Kind of buried down in there. There we go. So they're in the same frame. We got the gazenta that comes out of. And that is desirable because in stock configuration, there's a hard line that connects those two places. Looks like that. And so it's a common failure point for that hose to break inside there from the engine vibration. And there it is, Grisby. Those are the guys. So I did that almost 5 years ago. And there's the cost. Anyway, it's highly recommended. Been more than one story on the interweb about that cable breaking, and while transiting from one place to another, and all the engine oil gets dumped out onto the ground and resulting in a catastrophic failure. And that's not on my list of things to do today. Okay, the wind's picking up here in Tucson, Arizona, so we're gonna button it up, call it. Talk to you the next time.